So we were talking about backup and restore, and let's move to the labs. Okay, so just wait, let me clear this. Okay, also this one. Okay, so I have two command prompts here. One is in which I have see just the command prompt, and another one is where I have logged in as a what's my connection info. You can check this. I'm connected to test as the user Rohan. Okay, so let's start our lab. So command to take the back dump of the database are pgdump and pgdump all. These are two utilities to take the logical dumps of database in PostgreSQL. So pgdump utility will take the backup of one database only. Okay, if you do not mention any database, then it will take the backup of only the uh, dump, which is, let me show you, pg dump and hyphen hyphen help. You will see this command to take all the options for PG available for pgdump. Okay, if you do not mention any database, then the pg database environment variable is used, which is your postgres database. Okay, in most of the cases if you haven't set anything, so this is the default, and it will take the backup of postgresql postgre database. Okay, so we have these all options, so pg dump and then options, and then you can define your database name. So these are the options: file name hyphen capital F. This is the option you can use for taking the dump file, and like I told you in my previous video where we are talking about uh, sql dumps dot dump file. So this is the format we'll talking about this when we are taking the dump files. Okay, so this is our other options, and you see here is, if you want to take the backup of data only, you can use hyphen a. If you don't take the backup of uh, if you take the clean backup, if you want to first drop the database, then you want to create the database, then you can use hyphen small c, or you can use hyphen hyphen clean, and anything you can use in your pgdump command. So hyphen small c is for dropping the database before creating it. Hyphen capital C is to create database in dump. Like if you do not use capital C, it won't include create database statement in your database dump file. Okay, and n is schema pattern you can use based on your requirement. Hyphen o is no owner of the database. That can be anyone will if you restore it to somewhere, the postgres will be the owner. If as you are using postgres, or any user you are mentioning using restoring command, so that will be the owner. Okay, so if you use hyphen small s, that is schema only. Like it will you will be seeing only structure of the database, know the data, know the scripts, insert statements. You do not see insert statements in your data, only the create table statement, indexes, those you will see in here. And if you use hyphen a, it will show you only data, it will not show you any uh, structure like create table statement, it will not show you. Okay, so hyphen s is super user. Hyphen small t is table. Like if you want to dump a particular table, then you can use hyphen small t. Okay, so these are all basic option you can use. There's one more option I want to show you, this if exists. If you use this, so if the in the dump statement, it will, by before dropping the database or dropping any table, it will use if exist, drop table if exist. So this is required in some cases, so you can use this one as well. And this is hyphen hyphen inserts, so it will insert the dump the data as insert command instead of copy. I will show you how to take the what is the benefit of this while we are doing our labs, but first we are just taking a brief about these options of pg dump utility. Okay, so these are all options you can use based on your requirement. In this is hyphen d db name, hyphen h host, these are all earlier used. Okay, so this is all about pg dump utility. So you must mention the database. Hyphen d option is must required if you do not want to take the backup of postgres, or you don't want to take the backup of default any database. So if you want to take a particular database backup, you need to mention this thing, hyphen d, and then the db name. Okay, so this is all about pg dump utility. And uh, in our next video I'll be talking about pg dump all utility. Okay, so thanks, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.